Take a ride in the 2020 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost, climate control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.